I am Captain Discovery.
Hello, kids. Let's learn our numbers with Hannah the ship. 1.
Woohoo!
2. 3.
Whippy!
4. Hey! 5.
Yay!
6. Yay! 7.
Yay!
8. Woohoo! 9. 10. Yay!
Hello, kids! Let's learn alphabets. A, B, C, D. Oh, hey!
Let's find the missing letter. Is it G? Is it C? No. Is it A? That's correct! Yay!
Huh? Hey! Oh no!
Let's find the missing letter. Is it B? Is it A? No. It's D. Yay!
Oh, hey!
Oh! What's missing? Is it G? Is it A? No. B! Yes, that's correct.
Huh? Hey!
Let's find the missing letter. Is it G? Is it A? No. It's C. Yay!
Bye, kids! Thank you!
Hey!
Pink.
Hey!
Blue. Orange.
Oh! Huh?
Green.
Oh! Bye!
Captain Discovery.
Hello, I'm Captain Discovery. Oh. Where's the doctor? Uh-huh. No. Yes, that one is correct. Doctor. Yay! Which one is the farmer? Uh-huh. No. Yes, that's the right one. Farmer. Yay! Where is the chef? Uh-huh. Yes, that's correct. Chef. Where's the fireman? We got that right. Fireman. Yay! Bye.
Today's nursery rhyme is the Phonics Song. Yay!
A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. This is the Phonics Song, so come and sing along.
For elephant, for fan, G for grass, for hand.
This is the Phonics Song, so come and sing along. E for igloo, J for jet, C for kangaroo, L for leg. This is the Phonics Song, so come and sing along. M for mat, N for net, O for orange, for pet. This is the Phonics Song, so come and sing along.
Qu for queen, R for road, S for sun, T for toad. This is the Phonics Song, so come and sing along. For umbrella, for violin, W for watch, for Xbox, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. This is the Phonics Song, now it's your turn to sing along. This is the Phonics Song, now it's your turn to sing along.
Well done, everyone.
Hi, Captain.
Oh.
Hi, how are you?
Oh no!
Huh? Wow! Cupcakes!
You need to go for a bath first.
Okay.
This is the way we have a bath. Wash, wash, wash and have a bath. This is the way we have a bath to keep ourselves clean. This is the way we have a bath. Wash, wash, wash and have a bath. This is the way we scrub, scrub, scrub with the soap in the tub. This is the way we scrub, scrub, scrub to keep ourselves clean. To keep ourselves clean. This is the way we rinse ourselves. Rinse with water, rinse ourselves. This is the way we rinse ourselves to keep ourselves clean. I'll get you a towel. Here you go. This is the way we wipe ourselves with a towel. Wipe us dry. This is the way we wipe ourselves to keep ourselves clean.
Yes, I'm all clean.
$410. There are the 4 bids. Hi, Captain.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Hi, kids. I am Captain Discovery. See you next time.